Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Forte. If you're looking for a trendy and feature-laden compact sedan, the Kia Forte is for you. It offers an exceptional combination of innovative design, high-quality engineering, and outstanding value. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, stability control, remote power door locks, Bluetooth, cruise control, trip computer, power steering, tachometer. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.